Today we are going to make metabolic power bowls. These are perfect for lunch or dinner. They are so versatile because they are all about components, 5 to be exact, that are part of metabolically optimal meals. So we're gonna take our Brussels sprouts and just throw them on here. Some salt and pepper. Gonna throw them in here at 400 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Saute the onions. Cauliflower rice takes about 5 to 7 minutes to cook. And add turmeric. We're just gonna throw a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper on top, and then we'll throw it in the oven. So now we've got our cauliflower base there. We'll start adding our toppings. Piece of salmon, sprinkle a few basil seeds on there. Orange peppers, cherry tomatoes, cabbage, scallion, zucchini beans, our Brussels sprouts, avocado, beet kraut, and we've got some chopped pecans. Now for our delicious almond butter sauce. Do a little drizzle on here. So good.